Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about make smarter decisions faster, a proven strategy. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to make quick yet effective decisions is essential. Here's a proven strategy to help you make smarter decisions faster. 1. Clarify the objective. Start by identifying the purpose behind the decision. Understanding your goal will help you focus on the most relevant factors, narrowing your options effectively. 2. Limit your options. Avoid decision paralysis by narrowing down your choices. Limit your options to a manageable number. Too many can overwhelm you and slow down the process. 3. Gather quick insights. Don't spend too much time on research. Quickly gather key information that directly impacts your decision. Prioritize quality over quantity. 4. Trust your intuition. In high-pressure situations, intuition can be a powerful tool. Trust your gut feelings when the data alone isn't enough to make a call. 5. Set a deadline. Impose a time limit for decision-making. Having a clear deadline will help you stay focused and avoid overthinking, making the process faster. Conclusion: by following these steps, you'll enhance your ability to make smarter, quicker decisions, boosting efficiency and productivity. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.